Good morning, students. Now we'll move towards our next chapter of Unit 1, that is Wonderful Waste. What is meaning of wonderful? Marvelous. And what is waste? Which are useless things which we don't use anymore, or leftover things, that are waste. So our chapter is Wonderful Waste. Waste is a thing that is left over from anything like food. If we cook food, if our mother is cooking food, and sometimes when she is cutting vegetables, right, she cut off some portion of vegetable, right, or which we cannot cook, that is waste. But we must use things up till we can use them. And other example we can take is when our mom cooks food and sometimes ज़्यादा खाना बन जाता है, so she reuse it. Same way school में activity होती है best out of waste. So in that activity also what we are doing, we make good things out of waste, or we utilize that waste. Sometimes we make a pen stand out of some waste, or leftover ice cream sticks, or anything from waste cardboard or a box, anything like that. So that is our activity best out of waste. सबने स्कूल में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं हम लोग सब उसमें. So this chapter is also based on this. So let's start with the chapter. Once upon a time, the Maharaja of Travancore, he ordered a grand dinner at his palace. Palace where king lives is a place called palace. So he ordered a grand dinner at his palace and ordered his cook to cook delicious dishes for the dinner. And at that very afternoon he went into the kitchen and he started survey of all the cooked dish, what the Maharaja, the cook, is doing. He went to have a look of that, and what he saw there, a basket full of vegetable scrap. So he asked the cook that what he is going to do with that basket of vegetable scraps. So cook politely said that Maharaja, that is all waste and we will throw it away. So Maharaja strictly ordered him that you are going to use them in whichever the way you feel better, but you are not going to throw them away. We cannot waste this much vegetables easily. So the cook was in fix. He was very confused. King ने तो order दे दिया, now what to do? So suddenly an idea come up into his mind. एक idea आया उसको that let's use them. And he took all the vegetables, he washed them, he cleaned them properly and cut it into long strips and put it on fire in a pot, in a hot pot, and cooked them well. And later he added grounded coconut, beaten curd, ginger, garlic, green chili paste into it, and he cooked it well and well. And after the dish was done, he garnished it with a curry leaves and बना के रख दिया for evening. When at the time of dinner he was going to serve that dish, everyone was eagerly waiting that वो waste में से cook ने क्या बनाया होगा. And how it will taste or how it will look like. So everyone was very excited for the new dish, and then cook served it and everyone liked that dish very much. And then king asked the cook that what is the name of this dish, आपने डिश का नाम क्या रखा है? So he said avial. He named the dish avial, which is now a traditional dish in Kerala. And in Kerala, people cook this dish occasionally in good occasions. So, conclusion of the chapter is we cannot waste, we should not waste things very easily. We should try to reuse them again and again. And now we'll move toward hard words. Hard words of chapter number 1, wonderful waste. Maharaja, Travancore, palace, survey, commanded, strictly, flashed, tempting, whipped, spoonful, decorated, lo and behold, avial, Kerala. Now, word meanings. In a fix, a situation hard to escape from. Flash across the mind, suddenly think of. Lo and behold, look what a surprise. Traditional feast. Hearty meal for many guests served on special occasions. Thank you.